Hello! Last day in Vegas and doing a quick unboxing because I have to pack this back home. It's the Labubu Monsters Whacky Mart Shrimp Tempura. Also went to see Wizard of Oz. I pulled this one out. So cute. It's a sleepwalking Labubu. I got a couple of pins and Apple keychain. It's a significant thing because they dumped the apples in during the sequence of the movie. It was so cool. Unfortunately, we didn't get it, which sucks. I did get one of each of the pins because I was like, why not? It's Wizard of Oz. I love it. And I'm happy I got it. And then on to the unboxing. I got the Molly Carb Lover. I first got my first two in Japan with my boyfriend and loved it. I think I got it in Shibuya Crossing. Molly Carb Lover. I like all of them. I want all of them. They're all cute. I'd be happy with any of them. The croissant baklava or peekaboo burger. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes. It's so clean. I always like whoever illustrated this Molly. It's so cute. Adorable. 1, 2, 3. 5. Oh! It's the cupcake one. Afternoon tea. She's cute. The dress is her body. A tiered cupcake thing. It's adorable. Here's the card. And the back of it. Next. I'll save this one for last. Next, I got the Dimoo by your side. I like all of them, I think. I already have meditation, embrace emotions, and calm down. I forgot which ones I have, but they're all so cute. Which one did I get? 1, 2, 3. Ah, I got the one on the cover. This one is Pleasure. So adorable. And the little grass thing he's sitting on, like moss, it's like flocked. It's so cute. Look at Jelly, here's the card. There we go. And then Fox. So this I got at the Fashion Show Mall. You get 2 blind boxes in one. I don't know what you get. It's whatever's in the store. That's cute. And what are the 2 that I get? I forgot what this one's called. I don't know, it's in Chinese. I'm not sure. And then I got a Orchestra trumpet. Satyr Rory. There you go. You see that? I forgot this one. It's like a star thing. I forgot the name. Bad Popmart fan. I think it's called Happy? No. Not sure. I'll start with this one. Oh, it's Eggy Party. Colorful Playland Classic Series figure. There's Eggy, Rocky, Rosie, Bulu, Minty, Mimi, Snuffles, the stray elephant, Naughty Eggy, and Teddy. And then there's a secret. They're all so cute. Let's see which one I got. Plain white Popmart bag. 1, 2, 3. This one is the Teddy. That's hella cute. He's balancing the present on his head. That's adorable. So it comes with a stand. Oh, there's all stuff in here. What's this? Oh, it's a little stand that it comes with. Ta-da! So cute. Wait, there's like a... What's this? Wait, this thing makes NFC featured instructions. Oh, this is cool. Oh, interesting. Okay. And there's a card. This one is the Seulgie Satyr Orchestra trumpet. I've never seen this IP before. Looks like a little lamb. There's the cello, cymbals, tambourine, ukulele, violin, saxophone, drum, maracas, flute, rattle drum. I don't know. It looks like one of those. I forgot what it's called. That is a secret. 1, 2, 3. I got. Oh, saxophone. Right? Saxophone. Right there. Oh, that's cute. It even has floating music notes. It's like he's interesting. Not my usual. How do you put this on? Oh, that's cute. And there you go. She looks like that. So cute. The details are really nice. Part animal, part human. It's from Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It's not a fun. I forgot, but yeah, that one character. And last but not least, I got another Labubu Pit for Love. This is from N to Z, and there's one secret. The vibrant colors are cool. Hopefully I can get the blue one. Or the black Labubu. So cute. I don't know why the girl put the tape there. But, yeah. Such a nice little click jelly. These have the drawstring bag. Which one did I get? I got Y. So cute. And Y stands for yes. And yes, I love her. She's so cute. With these Labubus, you have to squish them. See, they look so much better now when they're squished into shape. So cute. That concludes the haul for Vegas. Peace. Be good, everybody. Stay happy. Bye.